In this video, we're going to jump in and unbox the new T5V speakers from Atom Audio. These are self-powered speakers with an XLR and an RCA input jack, and they're going to sound killer in your studio, so get ready to rock. Hey Rockstars, Lidshaw, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your best record ever, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from us here at Recording Studio Rockstars. Also, if you're interested in learning more about mixing, you can sign up with the link below for my free mixing tutorial using stock and free plugins in Pro Tools, which will work for you in any DAW at mixmasterbundle.com. These are the T5V speakers from Atom Audio. Atom Audio has been around for quite a while making beautiful speakers. They're well known for their special ribbon tweeter, and these are self-powered 5-inch drivers, monitors that are going to be great in a studio setting, home studio, or a pro studio. I'm going to be using these a lot to reference my mixes in the studio and make sure that my mixes are translating. It's also going to help me get my podcast sounding great every time I mix down podcast episodes. They come with an XLR input and an RCA jack, and other than that, they just sound great. So let's jump in and open this guy up and see what we got. All right, cool. This is a gorgeous looking speaker. Look at that. So you got a 5-inch driver here, and then you've got the ribbon tweeter right here. And it's just a beautiful looking speaker, to be quite honest. Okay, so here's the back with all the inputs. We got power cable here, power for turning this guy on, ported up here to increase the low end. We have an audio level, so you can turn up the gain here or just set it for 0 and align your speakers that way. You have a high frequency, which you can leave at 0. You can boost it 2 dB or cut 2 dB. And same thing with the low frequency right here. You also have an XLR input, and you have a -10 consumer level RCA input if you just want to plug your television or your stereo right into this. And then you can just switch between the two right there. Also, if you're plugging this up for power, it looks like it's going to operate whether you're on 110 volts all the way up to 240 volts. If you want to use this in Europe or the US, it's going to work just fine. I'm really looking forward to hearing this in the studio, cranking these up, checking my mixes on it, checking my podcast mixes, making sure that stuff will translate out into the real world. If you're curious about this and you want to learn more about these speakers, go to atomaudio.com, take a look at them yourself, the link below in this video. And again, if you want to learn more about mixing yourself, then feel free to sign up for my free mixing course at mixmasterbundle.com, and I'll show you how to mix your own records so that they sound great using stock and free plugins in Pro Tools or whatever DAW it is you want to work in. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys around the studio. Cheers.